Starting dropshipping in 2026 might just be one of the smartest ways to build an online income, but only if you do it right. So if you've ever wondered, can I actually make money with dropshipping today? Stick around, because this could change how you see online business. Imagine this: you're running a store, making sales daily, but you never touch the product. No warehouse, no bulk inventory, no stress. Sounds good, right? That's exactly what dropshipping is all about. Now, before we dive in, quick question for you. Have you ever bought something online that looked amazing on Instagram or TikTok? Chances are that was a dropshipping product. And today, I'm going to show you how to be the one selling instead of buying. First, let's understand how dropshipping works. It's simple. You create an online store, list products, and when someone places an order, your supplier ships it directly to the customer. You keep the profit. Easy concept, but execution is everything. Step 1. Choose the right niche. This is where most beginners get it wrong. Don't just sell random products. Focus on a niche people are passionate about: fitness, gadgets, beauty, pets, or even home office setups. Ask yourself, would I actually buy this? If the answer is no, don't sell it. Step 2. Find winning products. In 2026, trends move fast. Use platforms like TikTok, Amazon, and competitor stores to spot viral products. Look for items that solve a problem, have a wow factor, or make life easier. For example, anything that saves time or improves lifestyle tends to sell really well. Step 3. Build your store. You can use platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Keep it simple and clean, don't overcomplicate things. Your homepage should answer one question instantly: why should I buy from you? Add clear product, images, strong descriptions, and customer reviews if possible. Quick pause if you're getting value from this. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, because I'll be dropping more real strategies like this to help you build income online. Now, step 4. Find reliable suppliers. This is crucial. Platforms like AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, or private suppliers are popular options. Always test your supplier first, order the product yourself, and check delivery time and quality. Your brand depends on it. Step 5. Marketing. This is where the money is made. In 2026, organic content is king. TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts can literally blow up your store overnight. Create simple videos showing the product in action. You don't need expensive equipment. Your phone is enough. Let me ask you this: would you rather spend money on ads immediately or learn how to get free traffic first? If you're just starting, focus on organic marketing before running paid ads. Step 6. Pricing and profit. Don't just copy others. Make sure your pricing covers product cost, shipping, and marketing while still leaving profit. A good rule: aim for at least 2 to 3x your cost price. Step 7. Customer experience. This is what separates successful stores from the ones that fail. Fast response, clear communication, and honesty go a long way. If there's a delay, tell your customers. People value transparency. Now here's the truth nobody tells you. Dropshipping is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes testing, patience, and consistency. Some products will fail, but one winning product can change everything. Let me share a quick real-life scenario. A beginner starts with zero experience. Test 5 products, nothing works. They almost quit. Then the 6th product goes viral on TikTok, and suddenly they're making sales daily. The difference? They didn't stop. So here's your action plan. Pick a niche today. Research 3 potential products. Set up your store this week. Post at least 3 videos daily for one product. Consistency beats talent every single time. And before you go, I want to hear from you. What niche are you thinking of starting in 2026? Drop it in the comments, and let's talk about it. Your journey starts now. Don't just watch, take action.